In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a Standard Chartered online banking account. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This process is properly done on the Standard Chartered website. So I'm doing this on a computer, but you can also do this on your phone if you want. Simply open up a web browser and go to www.sc.com. After you arrive at this web page, you should see the login button at the top right corner of the screen in green. And before you select login, make sure it's set to the proper region of the world. When you choose the corresponding region, hover over login and then choose online banking login. You will be redirected to this page where you might have to read and accept the terms and conditions. I already did it, so it's not popping up for me, but make sure you read through it all and accept. And in here, you have to sign up for an online banking option. Click this and you will be redirected once again. And what you have to do here is answer the prompts presented to you on screen. You have a lot of options when it comes to signing up for online banking through the website. So go through it all in detail and choose whichever best applies to you. You simply have to go through with the setup and follow the instructions on screen to be able to sign up and start using the online banking functionalities of Standard Chartered. I hope I was able to help you on how to create a Standard Chartered online banking account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.